Welcome, in front of me is MSI Cyborg 15 and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So to start a screen recording, simply use a combination of Windows, Shift and R buttons at the same time. Press them all together like this. Excuse me, let me try once again. And once you press all of these buttons, you'll see a bar on top of your screen. And right here you'll have to select the record option, which is the one on the right. And once you selected it, you have to select an area of your screen on which you want to start recording. You can of course reshape or resize it by dragging the corners and the sides of it like this. And once you want to start the screen recording, click Start button. By the way, there are two icons that you may have noticed. This one unmutes your microphone and this one mutes your system audio once you click on them. So when you're ready, click Start and the recording will begin. Okay, let's give them access. And right now we can use this button to pause the recording and to resume it. And this one is to stop and save the recording. This one is to remove recording without saving it. So once you're ready, click on the red square button in order to save your recording. In the following window, you'll be able to rewatch your recording. And if you want, you can edit it in Clipchamp by clicking this button right here. And if you want to find it, you have to go to the File Explorer, open the Videos folder, go to Screen Recordings, and here will be your taken recording. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.